Alrighty, I'm up to cutting out the hole for the sub. So what I've done is I've just marked the center point of where the sub needs to go, because the sub needs to be as close as the port as possible, so that way that the channel is as long as it can be before it gets to the sub. So what I've done is I've marked the center point, and then I've marked sort of where it's going to be around. So what I'm going to do is drill a hole in that exact center, put a screw in there. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to cut it out anyway. Then I'm going to tie a string onto there, tie the string onto the pencil, and then make my circle. And then I'm going to cut out with a jigsaw. Alrighty, I've cut all the hole for the sub and the little power block. Sanded it all back so it's all nice and flat. So now what I've got to do is seal it all up. So I'm going to get some liquid nails, put it around all the edges, then get my finger and just wipe it clean. Mark out the top so all the screw holes are all correctly lined up. Screw that on and seal that all up as well, and then let it cure for 24 hours, and then I can give it a test run. Sweet, better get started. Alrighty, I've sealed all the inside, sorry. So now I just got to mark out the top so I know where to drill, and pre-drill all the holes, screw them in and take it out again, and then put glue on and then screw them in. So yeah, you can see it's all nicely sealed. And this is quick drying, so it's dried in like 10 minutes or something like that. But it cures in 24 hours, so still have to wait for it to cure, obviously. But yeah, it's all sealed. Sealed all the front as well, because that was a bit shit. So yeah, just got to put the top on now, and then let it dry, and then I can listen to it. It'll be awesome. Rightio, better get started because I don't have a lot of time left. See you later. Okay, I've drawn up a mirror image of that one. Obviously, because I'm putting it on the other side, if I drew it the exact same, it'd be off. So you do a mirror image of it. So then I'll have that side facing up, and then I can drill all the holes and screw it in. Yep, it is a mirror image. You can see on this one the port is over there, and on that one the port's over there. And that's a little bit of a mistake there. But yeah, alrighty, I'll pre-drill the holes, screw it on, and then finally glue it. Pack the shit out with glue. Alright, see ya. Okay, it's all sealed up. Top's all screwed on. All the screws are all like countersunk. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, as you can see, everything is all sealed. And all around the outside too. So it's all looking good. No holes or anything, as far as I can see anyway. So now it's ready to put the sub in on the wire block thing where the wires connect to, and then finally, once it's all going and I make sure it's all good, then I'll get some carpet and carpet it, some like marine carpet, some black stuff or something like that. So yeah, looks pretty good, I reckon. Rightio, I'll go chuck it in my car. Wow, needs pretty much 2 people to carry. It's quite freaking heavy. Just is, yeah, trying to compare. It's You guys probably can't really compare it on video, but it's pretty damn big. Rightio, so yeah, I'll chuck it in my car, whack the sub and the wiring block in there, and yeah, we'll give it a test run. Alrighty, put the sub and the power block in, so yeah. Looks pretty sweet. Yep, it's pretty freaking big. I mean, this is a big car. Rightio, so now I'm going to get a hand lifting it in, and hopefully, I did measure it when I was making it. It should fit in the back there, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Otherwise I'm going to have to stand it up or something. I don't know. It should fit. Just. When I measured it, it had like 50mm clearance, so yeah. Alrighty, let's give it a shot, eh? Alrighty, so here it is. And it just fits. Pretty freaking big. Now I need I'm actually going now, to buy some Velcro strips to Velcro it down. I put one Velcro strip on it, but you can see it like, it gives it some height so it'll wobble, but it doesn't move forward anymore, or backwards or anything, but another 5 Velcro strips and it should be right. Oops. Thoughts, it's really, it's got a lot of bass. All my mirrors shake, which they didn't used to. The side mirrors didn't used to shake, and they do now. The lows are really, really, really good. However, it doesn't really hit high notes well. Yeah, like when you listen to songs that have like a really high bass, it doesn't really give you any nice bass. It sort of has like a humming sort of sound, I guess. So what I've done is I've cut them off. With the crossovers, I've just cut off those high bass, so it only plays like the mids and lows. Like when I'm talking mids and lows, you know, from like 20 hertz to, I don't know, 50 hertz maybe. I'm not really sure. Actually, I cut it off at 80. But I've some songs I cut it off at 50 because it just sounds too shit. So yeah, which is a bit of a bugger because my old ported one hit the highs really well, but not the lows. So now it hits the lows better. But most of the songs I listen to are more in the low ends anyway. So I'll get a lot more out of the song. I've actually played some songs and I'm like, whoa, shit! I didn't know it did that. The whole song just changes. It sounds a lot different. Anyway, I'm going to take it for a cruise now and get some Velcro and pump away. I'm also going to get some carpet if I can, and in the next week or so I'll carpet it. Yeah, so there it is. It's massive. I guess I'll catch you guys later. Cheers for watching, guys. Now, just one quick note. Please don't ask me for plans for this, because this is a box made for my specific sub. However, if you have a JL Audio W1V2 sub, then yes, you can have the plans. However, if you don't have that sort of sub, you need to make a box specifically for your sub, otherwise it's just pointless. It won't work as well as it could. So you can get programs out on the net that'll sort of make plans for you, and all that sort of thing. Just research into it. And yeah, to be honest, I don't really know a hell of a lot about this. My mate made all the plans for me and all that. He's pretty cluey on that sort of thing, but yeah. So don't ask me for plans, guys. Anyway, I'll catch you later.